unanimously, unanimously, unanimous, unanimously.
With agreement from everyone.
We agreed unanimously that he was the best candidate. Assembly, 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 assemble.
A group of people, such as a government, who meet to make decisions, laws, etc.
The National Assembly. The United Nations General Assembly.
When you build something by joining parts together.
The frame needs to be strong enough to support the engine assembly.
Awkward, awkward,
Awkward, awkward.
Not relaxed or confident.
His movements were slow and awkward.
counter, counter,
Counter, counter.
A small disc used in some games that are played on a board.
Move the counter forwards 2 squares.
To have the opposite effect to something else.
The new road plans run counter to the government's aim of reducing pollution. Scope, scope.
The opportunity to do something.
There is plenty of scope for improvement. Unsustainable, unsustainable. Sustainability, sustain, sustainable, unsustainable.
Causing damage to the environment by using more of something than can be replaced naturally.
Unsustainable fishing methods.
Something that is unsustainable cannot continue at the same rate.
The level of spending on pensions is unsustainable. Carrot, carrot.
Something that is offered to someone in order to encourage them to do something.
The carrot is the extra payment they will get if they finish the work on time.
Job, job,
Job, job.
Without a job.
How long have you been out of a job?
If it is a good job that something happened, it is lucky that it happened.
It's a good job that Joe was there to help you.
If something does the job, it is suitable for a particular purpose.
Here, this knife should do the job.
To do something badly or well, etc.
Paul's made a good job of painting the hall. Conjunction, conjunction.
Working, used, or happening with something or someone else.
Our librarians use their knowledge in conjunction with the computer network. Hold, hold. Held, held.
To wait for something to happen, often feeling anxious.
While the leaders negotiated, the world held its breath.
To be as successful as other people or things.
Allison could always hold her own in political debates.
If you say that an argument doesn't hold water, You mean that it can't possibly be true?
I'm sorry, but what you are suggesting just doesn't hold water.
Power or control over something or someone.
Their company has a strong hold on the computer market. Bury. Bury. Burial. Bury.
To give all your attention to something.
He buried himself in his work.
To move your face or head somewhere where it is hidden.
She buried her face in her hands.
Dump. Dump.
Dump. Dump.
To put something somewhere quickly and carelessly.
Henri dumped his bag on the table and went upstairs.
To suddenly end a romantic relationship.
If he's so awful, why don't you just dump him? Tip.
A place that is dirty and untidy.
His room is a dump.
To be unhappy.
He looks a bit down in the dumps. Superiority. Superiority. Superior. Superiority. Superior.
When something is better than other things.
The superiority of modern design.
When you think that you are better than other people.
She has an air of superiority. Spit. Spit. Spitting. Spat. Spit.
To force out the liquid in your mouth.
I don't like to see people spitting in public. He took a mouthful of coffee and then spat it out. Spare. Spare.
To use a lot of effort or expense, etc. to do something.
We will spare no effort to find out who did this.
To think about someone who is in a bad situation.
Spare a thought for all the people who have lost their homes.